Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another edition of the Philippine Sports Writers Association Esports Forum. And again, we are live here at the conference hall of the Philippine Sports Commission building right inside the historic Rizal Memorial Sports Stadium in Manila. Today, we will be having a two-session forum. We will be talking about athletics and collegiate sports program. Again, I'm Randy Calog of Manila Standard. Good morning, partner.
Magandang umaga, partner Randy. Good morning, Philippine Sports Writers Association. Hope that you are with us through our live streaming at our Facebook page, Philippine Sports Writers Association, and likewise on a delayed basis over Radyo Pilipinas 2, ang ating sports radio, 918 kHz sa ating pong AM dan. Judith Karingal po.
Before you introduce our guest, we'd like to thank our sponsors in behalf of our PSA President Nelson Deltan of Philippine Star. Morning, Press. Salamat po Philippine Sports Commission, Philippine Olympic Committee, San Miguel Corporation, Smart PLDT, Milo Philippines, and Arena Plus.
Yes, and to talk about the university or collegiate sports program, we have one established school who will be celebrating its 50th year next year as our guest, the University of Perpetual Health System, DALTA. We have the Executive Vice President, Dr. March Gutierrez Tamug. Yes. And we have also UPHSD Sports Coordinator, our good friend, Frank Gusi. And we have the team captain of the UPHSD Women's Volleyball team, no other than Razel Paula Aldeas. Yes. So welcome to the PSA Forum. Hopefully later, Mr. Anton Tamayo, the Vice President for Sports Development, will also be able to make it and join us. Good morning, ma'ams and sir. Yes, ma'am. Welcome po sa PSA.
Yes. Magandang umaga. Good morning po sa ating lahat. At of course sa PSA, thank you for this opportunity to be with you. I know you are filled today, this morning. To my right is Sir Gusi, who knows the entire history of the NCAA, not just of NCAA, especially of the University of Perpetual System, DALTA, and our team captain, the kids call her Ate Dea. Yeah, si Dea is with us. And just to share with you, we are celebrating, Sir Randy, our 49th year this year, and this is paving the way to our 50th year. So it's our, what we call our road to gold. And that would be the year 2025. And I believe the next season of NCAA is the 100th season. Tama mo ba?
Yes po.
The centennial season. And of course, as we pave the way to the 100th season of NCAA and to our 50th year, we are just so proud to share with you that we have how do you call it, historically achieved something. For quite some time, we have not been in the first four, yung po ba ang term among the sports? Final four, no? For our juniors basketball, sir. So, for the longest time, I think the last time was in 2014, or was it 2018, thereabouts. And we did it. So we were able to bounce back after how many years that we were perhaps asleep a bit. And what's more important is the achievement of becoming the first runner-up. Ayan. Then aside from that, first runner-up of our boys basketball team, kami po ay champion sa chess. Tapos sa table tennis. Tama po, ayan. Men and women. Ayan. Ano pa, Sir Lucy? Ano pa yung ating champion tayo? Tama, no? Chess, table tennis, no? And of course, ngayon, lumalaban, defending champion ang aming men's volleyball at aming boys. Ay, beach volley pala, ayun, champion kami. Sa beach volley, tapos na po sa men's. Then, we're defending champion naman po under Coach Sammy Acailar, which is our men's or seniors volleyball. And our boys likewise division is also defending champion under Coach Sandy Rieta, who is likewise the coach of our CAFDEA. Ayan. Tatanungin ko naman ngayon, I turn over the mic or anything to add ba? Sir Lucy, baka may nakalimutan ako. Basta road to 50 tayo, kaedad ko lang po. Sir Randy, kaedad ko.
Thank you, Doc. Good morning. Lalo na dito sa mga veterano kong kaibigan dito mga taga-press. Si Ivy, si President Beltran, Nelson, at sa inyong lahat, good morning. Magandang umaga. Si Joey pala, dito rin. Si kapatid. Lahat yan. Ito mga sinared, mga kaibigan natin yan sa bote, sa inuman. So, may inom pa. Lalo na si Mr. Mariano Flight. So, sa inyong lahat, magandang umaga po. At salamat sa pag-iimbita niyo rito, especially sa University of Perpetual Health System, TALDA, na of course, when I was in the other school, namimit ko na kayo, pero namimit ko pa rin kayo hanggang sa ngayon. At mga kaibigan ko kayo sa Pulpanon. So, maybe some of you are not here, and some of the editors are already retired. Correct me, that's all. So, salamat sa pag-iimbita niyo dito sa amin. And I hope that what Dr. March said, yun ang aming mga activities for this season and the coming year. The 50th anniversary of the school and the coming 100 years of the NCA, which is centennial. It so happened that the host for the centennial year is Lyceum of the Philippines, pero most of the MANCOM and the members of the NCA will work together for this centennial affair. So, again, salamat po sa inyo at I hope na ang perpetual ay lalagay lagi ninyo sa inyong isipan. Maraming salamat po.
Perpetual sa isipan namin yan.
Perpetually there.
Sige po, balikan namin kayo later. Then si Doc March, tsaka mamaya si tuloy na po natin, Doc, yung mga yung celebrations na, yung programs natin in celebrating the 50th year. At saka, of course, yung mga focus natin on sports, sa celebration na ito. Can you share with us more po?
Ayan, we have been preparing for our 50th year, and in fact, we're preparing for our season 100. Kasama po sa pag-prepare dyan yung men's basketball team. We have a new coach, at ang pangalan ng new coach ay si Coach Olsen Racela, who's joined us. So part din doon is preparing also the women's, at mamaya si Dean can talk more about that. But more importantly, I think that because of our founder has been a staunch or the staunchest supporter, if I may say, Sir Lucy, of NCAA, si Sir Brigadier Dr. General Antonio Laperal Tamayo, our founder, with our co-founder, Dr. Daisy M. Tamayo. Talaga po, 40 years na kami nasa NCAA. So yung preparation na to, makikita niyo po na gritty po talaga lahat ng mga athletes, and it starts with the grassroots. So meron po kaming programa pang high school, tapos yung mga high school namin, unti-unti pumapasok sa different games, chess, table tennis, track and field, boys basketball, volleyball, etc. So unti-unti po yun. So naalagaan po namin. Kasama po doon yung cheerleading, ano po. So meron po kami tinatawag na grassroots program. So pinalakas po namin yun. To complement that, we do look for talents from other provinces, no? And ang aming focus po ngayon ay to prepare really well, of course to close it well, we're hoping for good performance and reach our goal for the women's volleyball, men's volleyball, boys and girls volleyball. Yes, we're hoping for that. And then, likewise, for the cheerleading po. Ngayong darating na, Sir Kusig, May ba? May or June, no? Yun po yung ating culminating. And part of that, what's different po from among other programs, no, ang University Perpetual System Delta, for in terms of sports program, is yung pag-develop po ng kasama doon yung grit, yung not giving up, yung never say die attitude, that which Cap Dea later on can share likewise with you, is we believe that through sharing or through forming the values, the character of our students, competence and their confidence would really be so immensely powerful that they will be part, when they join the professional world, when they become adults, they will be part to build their nation. Kaya po ang aming motto ay character building is nation building. So kasama po kami nagiging solusyon ng bansa natin. Yan na po yung spirit or yung motto ng aming universidad.
Thank you, Doc. Mamaya balikan namin kayo ulit. Napakaganda ng programa ng Perpetual because of yung Tamayo family talaga known for being sportsmen. No? Kaya tatanungin naman natin si Ms. Razal, how does it feel to become a member of the one of the athletes ng Perpetual Health, and not just hindi lang athlete, no, as team captain pa ng team. And kumusta ang feeling and ano yung support na ibigay ng school?
Unang-una po sa lahat, pang-anim na taon ko na po sa Perpetual. Sobrang tagal na po. So parang buhay ko na po itong Perpetual eh. And yung pakiramdam po, syempre, unang-una sa lahat, I'm very grateful that I have been able to umabot ng 6 years sa Perpetual. Masayang-masaya po ako kasi hinubog po ako ng Perpetual eh. From that kid who has that small dream now, mas malayo na yung pangarap na gusto kong marating dahil sa Perpetual. They inspired me a lot po, lalo dito sa pangarap ko sa volleyball. They gave me a lot of opportunities. And yung suporta, 100%. And sobrang thankful po ako kasi simula first year ako hanggang ngayon, 6 year ko na, mas lalo po nilang binibigay yung mga pangangailangan ng athletes.
Okay na, huwag ka magmadali. Mga Perpetual ka dyan, okay lang yan.
I'm proud Perpetual. Yes.
Thank you very much. Ano ulit? Sir Frank. Sir Frank, of course, bukod sa pagiging perpetual position mo dyan, itong 50th year, mukhang talagang pinaghahandaan ninyo. Starting sa basketball lang, starting with the coach. And sa players, ano pa mga mga paghahandaan for your goal, lofty goal next year? Next season.
Actually,
acquisition?
As what I said, when I was in the other school, I always said that our participation is good. But when I transferred in Perpetual, being a good friend ni Chairman Tony Tamayo, ang sabi niya sa akin pare, tulungan mo naman ako dito. So hindi na nagdalawang isip kung hindi sinabi, yes sir, basta ikaw. So yun, so actually, sabi niya sa akin, pabiro ko nga sana naman with my short na, ibig sabihin na habang buhay pa naman ako, makatilim ako ng champion. Especially sa basketball. Dahil yan yung kanyang ambisyon. Ang mapag-champion. Kasi marami na rin naman silang kapagdaanan na ang Perpetual lumaban din sa finals. I think mga 2 or 3 times during the time of Mike Cristobal, during the time of the late Ari Rosario. Talagang lumaban din naman sa finals. So happen talagang hindi pa swerte. So at this point of time, yun yung ambisyon namin. Especially with the help of our EPP. Alam ko na malaki at maganda ang may papakita. Na suporta niya sa especially sa sports. Sa nakikita ko sa kanyang personalidad. So, ang program, especially our program, with the sports, of course, yun nga, pag-champion namin ng basketball. Other events naman, medyo maganda naman yung aming performance just because with the help and the yung quality of our coaches, especially to recruit players from the provinces, ay malaking bagay yun. So, I hope na masisimulan namin, especially this 100 years, yung mag-champion sa basketball na pinapangarap ng aming chairman.
101 mismo.
101. Oh, 101. 100 na lang. Sa 100. Sana makuha namin. And of course, with the support of our friend, with the support of our friend, especially the media, malaking bagay, suporta rin para sa school. Yung pagtulong yun sa amin tungkol yan. So, again, yung target lang namin, pinapangarap lang, no, aming chairman. Sana ba mas namin, masunod namin. Thank you.
Generally, may overall championship ang NCAA. Ano po yung pinakamataas na finish ng University of Perpetual Health System data?
Well, during the time, marami nang naging overall championship ang Perpetual. High school and the college. Marami na. Yun nga lang, hindi nga lang na, although yung basketball, magkaroon ka man kahit anong position mo, meron din points yun. Pero the points of the other events, almost the same. Lalo na yung mga athletics, other events, minor, sinasabi. Kasi sa NCAA, pwede ka lang mag-overall champion if you participated sa for mandatory and you're going to participate the other events. Like yung for other events, pwede kang maging overall. Yun yung rules ng NCAA. Pero actually ang pagtalaga ang perpetual ang NCAA, lahat ng school gusto rin sumali sa mga all events. Kasi that is our commitment. Not only this school but also in our country. Because alam niyo naman yung mga national players nanggagaling dito sa mga itong liga, NCAA, UAP, so that's it.
Yes. Razel, through grit, makikita na ba natin ngayong taon na ito, season 99 sa women's volleyball kasi kinapos kayo last year. Kaumpisa pa ng ating league.
Actually, sobrang laking learning po sa amin yung last season Kasi kumbaga yung pakiramdam mo na nandun ka na, pero hindi mo pa siya naabot. So ngayon, syempre, mas gutom tayo sa pagkapanalo. Gutom tayo sa semis yung inabot namin dati. So ngayon, mas gutom kami papunta ng finals. Kaya po ngayon, mas nagpupursige and yung mga boss po talaga namin, grabe yung suporta sa Perpetual. Perpetual po, kaya asahan nyo po na pagsusumikapan po namin and sana po supportahan nyo kami.
No pressure.
Yes, sir.
Good morning.